In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Wix website to HTML code. We're going to capture the HTML of your Wix page right from the preview and save it to your computer so you can inspect the markup, reuse text and layout, or archive a static copy. Keep in mind this produces a static snapshot. Dynamic features, apps, and backend functionality won't carry over, but the visible structure, text, and styling references will. Start by opening Wix Studio and signing in. Once you're in, head to your site's dashboard. From there, open the editor by selecting Edit Site. Give the editor a second to load your canvas. On the right side of the editor, look for the option to preview your site. Click Preview to open a live view of the page exactly as visitors would see it. With the preview open, move to the upper area of your web browser and look for the three-dot menu. This is your browser's overflow menu, and it's where options like Cast, Save, and Share live. Click that menu, then choose Save Page As. When the Save dialog appears, pick a location you'll remember easily. Your desktop or a dedicated project folder works well. For the best result, choose the file type that saves the page completely, often labeled Web Page Complete. This saves an HTML file and a companion folder containing images, styles, and scripts referenced by the page. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later, and confirm the save. Now open your file manager and navigate to the location where you saved the page. You should see an .html file alongside a folder with the same name plus hash files or similar. Keep that folder next to the HTML file. It holds the assets your page needs to display correctly offline. Right-click the HTML file and choose to edit it with a plain text editor such as Notepad, or use your favorite code editor if you have one installed. The file will open showing the page's HTML markup. This is the exported structure your browser saved from the Wix preview. You can scroll to view the head section for metadata and linked style sheets, the body for your content, and any scripts loaded on the page. Remember, because Wix is a dynamic platform, interactive features and some resources may call external services and won't function without the live environment. For a clean offline view, keep the HTML file and its asset folder together. That's it. Your Wix page is now saved as HTML and ready for inspection, learning, or static use.